Alright, so this is an unboxing of the Max Oak power station. It's pretty much a solar generator all in one. You can plug up solar panels directly to it. It has an MPPT charge controller. It has about 1500 watt hours of energy, and it has a max draw of 1000 watts. It does come with a wall adapter. The wall adapter is good for probably about 10 hours charge time, I think. That's what I saw online. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So it's called the BLUETTI, and it's made by Max Oak. It's pretty much a company I've never heard of, and they just started selling this on Amazon. And I have it listed for $13.99, but they have a $100 coupon off right now. It was a pretty good deal, especially for the specs that this provides. Starting probably this winter or possibly spring next year, I'm going to start my tiny house build. All my tools are going to be battery operated, and so I'm going to use this solar generator to charge all my tool batteries. I guess that will be interesting to see how this keeps up with that. Adapter right here, wall plug right here, solar input. So solar input right here, you got your MC4 connectors. Look pretty good. As long as my open circuit voltage is lower than 60 volts and I don't exceed 10 amps, I should be good. So we'll see how much this draws. But I'm glad they included that because I'm not sure where you can get one of these. So it's packaged really well, lots of foam, which is good. So there it is, the BLUETTI. Power button right there. Looks like it's dead. So let's plug it up and see what it does. We'll go ahead and use the AC wall adapter that came with it. Alright, so it's turned on. We're drawing 160 watts. 160 watts, give or take. But I'm really curious to see how well it does with the solar. You got your power, your DC on, AC on. I guess that allows you to turn them off or on when you need them. As far as USB, they have a USB-C output, 45 watts, and then your standard USB 3 amp max. I guess that's for those together, and then 3 amps for those together, the way they've isolated that. Got your standard 12 volt output right there. You got your input. Press this here, shows you what's happening. You've got your battery charge indicator. The batteries in here I believe are made by LG. Hopefully it's got some good batteries that'll last a while. Input so far still at 160 watts from this adapter here. Got your warranty certificate and user guide. So let's see. Yep. That's your warranty certificate. And it's the Max Oak. BLUETTI. I guess that's how you say it. BLUETTI. BLUETTI. 1500 watt hour portable power generator. Now, one thing I noticed about this is they have a heat shrink spliced in adapter here. So we'll see how this holds up. So basically they had to make this. They didn't actually have one like manufactured this way. So they just took your standard DC plug and spliced in MC4 connectors. Input specification. MPTT, is that correct? 99.5% efficiency. So max PV input is 500 watts. PV input 16 to 60 volts DC, and your 10 amps input current. I don't know how that's not how you spell current, but okay. Current. But yeah, so this has a built-in MPPT charge controller, which is really cool. Warranty is for 12 months from date of purchase and their contact. So hopefully this holds up pretty well. It looks cool. Blue anodized aluminum. It's a nice finish. Got a handle here. Got your white plastic, and this is matte plastic. So that should hold up. I don't like gloss plastic just because gloss plastic is a fingerprint magnet and it just looks awful given some time. Well, this here only has one logo on the one side, BLUETTI, Max Oak. They do package it well. So tons of foam, pretty good. On this side, we can see the fan output. Pretty good airstream out there, and then your AC output, and that's a 1000 watt inverter. And that's 1000 watts combined between both outlets. So the inverter can put out right around 900 watts continuous without shutting down. So I guess that's good. You have to account for inefficiencies in power conversion. I think that's common for anything. We'll see how it holds up. I'll do a video of the solar system that should be coming in the mail soon. But this is just a quick overview of the BLUETTI. BLUETTI.